Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Wait, make a wish. Make a really good wish.
Whoa.
How old are you turning, John?
34.
How young are you again?
34.
34. Ready? Woo! Yay! Yay! Yes! Again? One more time! One more time!
Second wish? What? No.
One more time! Where's the lighter?
It doesn't work.
Where's the lighter? Here. Nothing. Right here. Wishing for.
They wish for the same thing.
John, you should make a second wish.
Wait, why is this necessary?
Well, 34 is a big number.
He said 24.
24? John, you're 24?
10 years
The
ago.
20s. The 20s. Ready? Second wish. Bigger than last time. Bigger than last
And a
time.
third wish.
Ready? Ready? Oh! Yay!
Second wish,
More time! Third
Second
wish. 34.
What?
Okay, so we're going through our third decade now.
No.
Third wish, third wish. Ready? Ready? Third wish, okay? 1, 2. Wait,
Why
you
do I
have to
get to eat it?
come up with a wish. Yay!
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh, the cheaper cake. That's our cake.
Run the show.
That's what she did on my birthday.
Here, John.
Now you can put the whipped cream on top of the cake.
Hey, it's homemade handmade whipped cream special.
Ooh.
Can you see, John? Can you breathe? You were
Okay.
anticipating.
It's okay.
That sounds like you
It's
guys.
okay, John. It's not technically caked. It's
So just creamed.
not
Hey, which is more painful? Okay. Ew.
Let him lick it.
What a beautiful profile. Oh my god, Michelle on the cake. Best sense of the Lord. John, you want to hold your cake? Forgive thy neighbors. What verse is that, Michelle? John 27. John, don't cry.
Mark 6.
Sweetness and joy.
14.
Can you see? You need eye drops? You want a beer?
This is one of those times that rare occasion you can catch John speechless.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Get one out. Michelle, can you get some wipes? He doesn't drink how my grandpa does. Ready? He goes bathroom. That's like a diva.
Next.
Wait, what's the title of that song though?
Huh?
What's the title to that song?
I don't know.
That's what we do either. It's like all
Technique
lip
keyboard.
makeup.
Wow. It's like so professional.
But you're taking off the
Upward
lipsticks. You didn't put
strokes.
back on the lipsticks.
Wow.
The second meeting?
Oh my gosh.